Hi y'all, it's Charlene from the Crafty Art Shack. We're here today to talk about crafts for kids from the Dollar Tree.
We had our granddaughters over, and in having our granddaughters over, they brought over 3 little crafts with them, or 2 crafts, and then we made up one. Okay, the first one was these little unicorn posters that they were going to do. And they picked these because they bling. They picked these because they have unicorns on them, and that's what they're into. They're ages 5 and 6 years old. And this package says it's for 3+ years old. Parents, don't waste your money on these. I'm going to tell you, this lasted 5 seconds. And no, they did not complete them. But we're going to put them in their junk journals. And what they're supposed to do is they're supposed to go in here and pull all these little dots off and put down the little rhinestones on the dots. The dots went all the way through the paper and the rhinestones wouldn't stay stuck to the paper either. So these were a bust. But we're going to take these and put them in their junk journals. And yes, they've already started junk journaling because their Grammy told them how to do it. Next thing that they had as craft to do is they had sticker books. The ones the girls had were farm ones, and what this is they've got in these pages in this book, they get a blank page like this with all these numbers on it. And what they have to do is they have to go back here to the center of the page, center of the book, find the stickers that match the right picture in the book and for the right page, and then they have to start putting each one in the correct number spot. This project they worked on all day long. They were very, very, very busy. So this was a good project. This is well worth the $1 that you're going to spend at the Dollar Tree, and it's going to keep them busy for hours. Now, next thing we did, me being Grammy, we made a blingy craft for those girls. And this is what we made. We made these beautiful little slippers. Of course, they've took theirs home, and this is an extra pair that I was working on. And we blinged them out for them. If you want to know how to do this, join us in our next video, because join us in this video because we're making one on how to do this. So that's it today for the Crafty Art Shack. Y'all have a great day, and
Alright, you guys, we're here today. We're going to talk about crafts for kids from the Dollar Tree. I had my granddaughter. We're here today. Of course we're here. Yeah, we're here. Which ones to pick, which ones worked good, and which ones were like, don't even try it. Don't try it. And yes, there was one. Let's get this show started. Kids, this one's for you. We'll see you on the next episode. Bye!